beautiful people, it's Mazifiso here once more. So today I'm going to show you how to run the Soundness airdrop task. You need to get positioned. It's not that popular on X because most of the big cats on X are not talking about this particular project. They have very few followers, less than 5,000 followers, so you're pretty early. This actually started a couple of days back, but they closed the channel for registration and they recently opened it. So I just checked now, and the registrations are still ongoing. So let me quickly run a guide and try to make it very short so you can do it ASAP and then go get yourself registered and positioned for the next task or wave. So let's quickly run through. This is the tutorial you'll be requiring. I'll add the link to this tweet in the description, but to make it shorter, I already copied out the lines of code and the steps to take. So basically all you need is your GitHub account, your Discord account, and an X account with which you access these lines of code. So let's begin. First, you have to visit the Soundness website. You would see where you are required to input your email, and then after that you sign up for a spot exactly here. All right, and then you proceed to the next step now, which is to click on this link and then it takes you to GitHub. So this is where it will bring you to. So once you come here, all you just need to do is click on use this template. Okay, under the blank section, it takes you to this template. Now we'll give it a few minutes to load. While we are waiting for that to load, so remember, you use your GitHub account. If you don't have a GitHub, just simply sign up for one and then use it for this purpose. All right, so let's see. We are still waiting for it to load. And yes, another point here. So right here, these are the lines of code. So if you're copying it directly, how you're seeing it on X, this is how it's going to be. But we are not going to be using this emphasis dash, this M dash. We are not using them, okay? We are using from here. So if you copied from the end here, you have to paste it somewhere and then just copy from here. So same goes for all of this. You would have to copy each of them from here and then skip the emphasis dash, okay? So this is it. You just copy from here individually. These are the lines of code. I brought them here for it to be easier and faster. So once you get to this part, it will ask you to choose a theme. So choose whichever works for you. I prefer the dark theme, so I'm going with this one. All right, so once you see something like this, it means your system is ready and the workspace is okay to be explored. So let's proceed with the lines of code. We'll go with the first one. Copy. And then right click and then hit the paste, enter. It gives you up this prompt. You enter one and then click enter. Now this would run and then download a couple of files. So once it's done with this phase, you go to the next. So after running that line of code, we go down and then take the second line of code. Okay, and then same thing applies. Go back, right click, paste, and then hit the enter button. And after this, you use the script. You run this script and then paste it same way. Right click, hit the paste, and then this. Go back to your lines of code and then install this. This would actually, installing this would make it download about 220 or 222 files, but don't worry, it doesn't take forever. Okay, and it's not going to burn all your data. So here, installation complete. Okay, so next thing would be to update the CLI we just installed. So the next line of code, you go paste, same way of course, and then hit the enter button. then it will tell you if there is anything to be updated. But yeah, we're already using the latest version, so that brings us to the next step, which is to generate your key. Okay, this would make you this will help you generate your seed phrase. All right, remember, keep your seed phrase safe, but because I'm using this for tutorials, I'm going to be allowing this. I'm not going to use this for anything. I've already registered for that. Okay, so yeah, so this is the seed phrase. Now you're required to create a password for this. One major tip: use a password you can easily remember, because as you're typing your password here, it wouldn't be visible. So if you make any mistake, you wouldn't know. So for someone who isn't savvy with this, you might feel your password is not displaying, but it's displaying. So after that, you will see your generated public key. Now to easily copy this, left click here, drag it down to this place, okay, where you have the public key, and then right click, it copies. So you go to your notepad somewhere on your notepad, and then you paste. Oh, seems I didn't get it. So let's do that again. Left click, drag to the spot you want to copy from, and then right click after you've removed your hand there. From there, you do that a few seconds later. So let's paste. So this is it. Now all you need to do is to copy this public key from the first to the last. All right, now head over to their Discord account. So try to join the Discord before you do all of this. As you can see, the video took about 7+ minutes. So this will take you like 8 or 10 minutes before you can be able to paste anything here. So once you get to this place, you simply type the same code they are using, !access space, and then the public key you copied, and then you hit the send button, and that is all. So guys, you know what to do. Like the video, share, recommend for others, and thank you for supporting me. See you in my next. Bye.